Good morning, everybody. It is Blake and Josie back at you from Luna Travel. We are at Universal's Volcano Bay, and we've never been here before, so you can just watch us kind of experience it for the first time. And if we come up with any tips at the end, we'll let you know. Look at that thing!
You go straight down.
Wow. Everything's so pretty.
We're at Volcano Bay, and it's always okay.
Also, something to keep in mind is this is a very overcast day, so there's not really many people. So maybe when you're planning your trip, try to come on a kind of overcast, rainy day. We're just walking around. We have no idea what we're doing, but we're about to go see the volcano, I think, which is right there.
Josie? Yeah. I just want to make sure I heard it right, Josie. I'm 1,005 years old, so sometimes, you know, the hearing starts going. Josie, where are you from? Charleston. I'm familiar with this place. Well, I'm not familiar with any place really. I've been here most of my existence. So, is it your first time here in the Volcano Bay? Wonderful. And who is this person with you? Is this your security guard? Hello, husband.
Hey, hola, ¿cómo está?
Those fancy magic mirrors.
Yeah, we're builders.
Oh, if you're filming?
Yeah.
What does this mean?
Hi everybody, we are taking a little breaky poo. We got a cherry icy, which is really good. Chef's kiss. We've had a great time so far. We haven't felt price gouged or anything. I think a lot of theme parks in general price gouge you, but this place is awesome, and you can do everything from your Tapu Tapu. You can pay with it. You can get in line for rides with it. It's awesome. Hey everybody, we are just checking in. So can't bring the GoPro on the slides, which makes sense because of safety, but we're going to be filming on Blake's phone to see what we get. It's a little chaotic, but it's fun.
And it's funny because walking around in like Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure, a lot of people you hear people say, I'm not a water park person. And I don't think it's about getting in a bathing suit or anything like that and feeling uncomfortable. They don't want to climb stairs.
Yeah.
That's all you do. So
the stairs are crazy, but anyway, we will continue our day and we'll take you guys on. This is not the place to pause. You're not a good swimmer. At least you have a life jacket. Alrighty, we got another pizza, obviously, for me, and a stuffed plantain.
stuffed plantain boat. Well, actually the plantain canoe. It's actually for Hispanic Heritage Celebration.
Oh, cool. Nice. Actually, adult food. Let's say the blessing. God, thank you so much for this day. Thank you so much for letting us be safe, and please let this food nourish our bodies, even though some of it is unhealthy. In your name I pray, amen.
Amen.
Rice good?
Yeah, it's rice.
Rice.
Let me see. Wow.
Is it good?
Yeah.
What's in there? Pulled pork?
Yeah, mixture of pulled pork. It kind of tastes like a chili that's just put into a plantain. And then, yeah, of course, some beans too.
Yeah.